Today I'm going to be telling you about tips and hacks on packing travel luggage, specifically carry-on. Now I'm going to go through some things that you need to do to prepare to get on your cruise and things that you should pack in your carry-on. But when I go to pack this, I have packed it so it's actually TSA compliant. So you could actually take everything that I'm going to pack with you on a plane, head right onto the ship and board. Before I get started, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Come check us out at See Me Traveling. The first thing that you should do before you go on a cruise or before you travel anywhere is do your research. Obviously, you know how to do that because you're watching this video. So when you're boarding the airplane or when you're boarding your cruise ship, you're going to need your ID. That's going to either be your driver's license and your birth certificate or your passport. So make sure that you have those available to get to very easily and quickly, along with your paperwork like your airline ticket or your boarding pass. One thing that will help is when you get your sign and sell cards, get a lanyard to go around your neck and hook those sign and sell cards to them. One of the important things to take with you in your carry-on is your medication. I also recommend packing a small first aid kit. Another thing that you'll need is a change of clothes, just in case your other checked luggage doesn't quite make it. I've experienced this before and actually had to go to a conference wearing the clothes that I actually wore to travel. So don't do that. Always pack something in your carry-on that you can wear. Maybe a bathing suit, extra shoes. Don't forget the sunscreen or a rain poncho in case it's raining out. I pack my makeup, a brush, maybe the curling iron, so I make sure that I have that. And then I pack an extra set of clothes so that I can go to dinner that night. Or I may even do something where I pack a couple of extra pair of clothes just in case. Use dryer sheets to keep your clothes wrinkle-free, since steamers and irons are considered a fire hazard and are prohibited from the ship. I like to pack a shawl or a light sweater for those chilly flights or windy nights on the Lido deck, and it's perfect for dinners in the main dining room. Toiletries. This is TSA approved, and you can take it on flights, and it is the 3 ounces that you're allowed to take, and it's great for cruises as well. When packing your carry-on, you may use the plastic or silicone containers to fill with your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, or other liquids. Or you can go to any local store to purchase travel size items. Walmart, Target, CVS, or your local dollar stores have travel items. While you're there, be sure to check out the luggage aisle, where you can find packing cubes, travel pillows, and other travel gadgets. These items may also be found online. Sanitizer wipes are great so that you can kind of wipe off your room before you unpack. So bathroom, remote control, doorknobs, those kind of things. Most cruise ships have a hairdryer in the stateroom, but pack your curling iron or your straightener. Bring a reusable water bottle or a thermal cup and a reusable straw to keep drinks cold during the day. Some cruise lines like Carnival Cruise Line allow you to bring a bottle of wine per adult and a 12-pack of sodas per person. These items must be packed with your carry-on. We pack a portable fan in our carry-on as well. The cabin can be hot at times, especially in port. We like to decorate our door when we go on a cruise, so I always put those in my carry-on as well. That way, I can already have all that stuff done before my luggage even arrives in the room. Also bring the wall hooks that you can use, and they're reusable where you can pull the strip. Now that I have my hat and my sunglasses and I'm ready to go, and I've put in all my jewelry that I want to make sure that I get to wear on the cruise ship in my bag, let's talk about what type of bag to pack. Make sure that your carry-on luggage is easy to push, that it's balanced. I always make sure it has 4 wheels, because when you're running through an airport, you want to make sure you can move that thing just as fast as you can get to the next gate. We don't want to miss our flight, and we certainly don't want to miss that cruise. Let's talk about what's behind me here. This is a piece of level 8 luggage. This is the Hegen model. I actually packed enough clothes for an entire weekend stay. All the stuff that I needed to take was actually put in there, and I didn't even need to take another piece of luggage. It was wonderful. One of the things that I really like about it, immediately I saw, is that it has latches that latch it closed and seal it closed. So no zippers that are going to break and everything's going to go all over the place. It has 2 TSA locks, one on each latch, and you can set the lock to whatever combination you like. Another safety feature that it has is the handle. So when you lift up on the handle, you don't have to worry about it shutting down and hitting you on your fingers or anything. It actually has a slow release, so it closes slowly on the handle. One of the things that you should certainly do when you get ready to start packing your luggage is make sure you have identification on the inside of your luggage. We have business cards, so we put a business card in the inside of our luggage. We also put our luggage tag inside the luggage. So that way, if we're going on a cruise, they know exactly what room to get the luggage to. I also like to put something on my luggage so that I can identify it as mine. You know, it's nothing like grabbing somebody else's luggage thinking it's yours by accident, right? I get these little luggage tags like this right here, and I put that on there, and on the back, you can put your information. Level 8 luggage is really cool. Has high quality hard shell material. It has aluminum alloy trolley handle, 360 spinner wheels, spacious packing room, and it has an insert so that you can add your computer in it, or you can just use it as a divider. Inside, it has a wet dry pocket for things like toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, things that could get everywhere in your suitcase, right? Also, it has an upper mesh area that is another pocket that you can put additional things. And we put things like, that's where I put my hand sanitizer or my sanitizing wipes, just little things. The interior tie-down strap is the most sturdy strap I've ever seen inside of a suitcase. When packing my luggage, I usually use travel cubes. It makes packing and unpacking very easy. It also saves room. And you don't have to worry about all your clothes going everywhere if they check your luggage. And Level 8 Luggage is currently having a huge Black Friday sale with 20% off of their luggage. If you like what you've seen and what you've heard about Level 8 Luggage, they have an array of laptop bags, travel sets, toiletry cases, carry-ons, and a whole set of luggage. It's well worth the purchase. This is so durable that it may last a lifetime, but you're going to want to buy more because you definitely want to purchase the different colors and the different sizes. The link to get to Level 8 Luggage will be in the description. Time to pack that carry-on. Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.